How to remove all alarms on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove all alarms on Android phone. First, then open the clock, and here if you want to remove all of those here, just hold on it and then just click select all and then click delete and click delete again, and that's it. As you see, it's easy, and you can make it again if you want, and that's it. And that's how to remove all the alarms on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.